So I just got my stove installed after wanting to install it for like 2 years or 3 years or something really insane. It finally happened. I had to work with a plumber to get the gas line run. And the install was too boring to record, but I did want to make a video that celebrates me finally getting it installed. It's a little antique gas stove, and I'm gonna cook my very first meal on it in just a few minutes. Yeah, on the gas grill. Ha ha ha, fire. I think I'm gonna make bacon. So I think I'm gonna try Dan Benjamin's bacon method, which is, he has a website called, I think it's baconmethod.com, maybe? Anyway, it's just a pan, bacon, lay it out in the pan, put the oven on 400 degrees, don't preheat it, put it in, wait 20 minutes, and it's done. So we'll see how it goes. I've never done it before, but it seemed like a cool experiment to try in a new oven that I've never used before. Hopefully I'll be eating bacon soon. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. There's fire in there. 20 minutes. We'll see. 3, 2, 1. Ha 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 ha. Wow. Ooh, bacon grease. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes.
That's good.
Delicious. So I'm really stoked that I have an oven. I'd like to give a shout out to D. Iverson. He's the programmer who made the JavaScript drum machine that I used at the beginning of the video. Dennis has released over 200 projects on the programmer's sharing site github.com, and you can check out the neat stuff he's making over at github.com/diverson, or you can search the web for drum machine JavaScript, and you'll find his drum machine there. You can experiment with a drum machine right on that webpage. It's super fun. Also, I do a podcast called Opposable Thumbs. If you go to opposablepodcast.com, you can check that out. It's a creative challenge podcast, so my buddy Taylor Hokanson and I invite a new guest on each episode, and we all tackle a creative project together and talk about our successes, failures, and lessons learned. And it's a really great time for us, and hopefully it would be cool for you too. So that's it. Thanks.